Video shot on your mobile glitching in Premiere Pro? Here are a couple of quick fixes. First, ensure your Adobe Creative Cloud is updated. Click on the Creative Cloud logo in your taskbar. Open and click on the Updates tab in the top left corner. Run updates for both Premiere Pro and Media Encoder so they are both running on the same version. Trial playing your video in Premiere again. If it's still glitching, it might be an issue with the format of the video. So try converting in VLC Media Player or using converting program Handbrake. To convert in VLC, open VLC Media Player. Click Media in the toolbar, click Convert/Save. Click Add and browse for the video or multiple videos you wish to convert. Select and click Open. Then click the Show More Options box to open this drop-down menu. Click the arrow on the Convert/Save button and click the Convert option. In the Profile drop-down menu, select Video Profile H.264 plus MP3 to create an MP4 file. Select a destination location for your converted file and then click Save. Click Start. The conversion progress is indicated in the playback bar and will vary in duration dependent on the number of files you're converting and their size. Then simply re-import the converted MP4 file into Premiere Pro. To use Handbrake, open the Handbrake software. Drop your video or folder of videos into the drag and drop area. Ensure MP4 is selected in the drop-down format menu. Click Browse and select a destination location for your converted file to be saved. Then click Start Encode. The conversion process is indicated in this green progress bar and will vary in duration dependent on the number of files you're converting and their size. Then simply re-import the converted file into Premiere Pro.